Hello. Got a wallet. Yeah. So, there it is. Oh, there it is. Hold on. Okay. Hold on, people. Okay. Here we go. We got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. ID hidden behind the ID. Pockets behind. Total of 6 pockets besides the ID and the billfold. Okay. All white and navy blue.
Thanks, bro. My care package.
Oh, here. Let's see that they fit right.
The one for the tower.
There it is. Can't see it, of course, because you can see this little line. And of course it closes because you can see the spine part. Otherwise, for it not to close, it would have to be like that, almost. Then it wouldn't. It still closes. But it would have to be like that. So it's not. Okay, so let's start over. So now we go to
Not gonna revive you. Not gonna revive you. Not gonna revive you.
Oh, Miss Emma, what are you up to?
nothing.
I've been watching your shape cards.
Mm-hmm.
You watch all of their videos?
No, there's over 700. I can't watch all of them. Okay, ID, plastic, hidden packets. It's in here, just so you know.
Hamburger.
See?
I'm not camping.
Yeah, you can see it. Okay. There. All these clothes, trust me. Oh, you want to see the ID all in?
Zombies.
Yeah, there it is. Oops, I put it in crooked, but I don't really care. I don't have an ID anyways. I just throw this in. It's just a hotel key card covered in a picture and duct tape and stuff. So yeah. Okay, and then the Z billfolds. I like the outside. That's some awesome. I don't know what it is, but yeah. First, then, not really. Boom. All duct tape with clear tape, so you can tell. Yeah. So, that's about it, remember? 3 packets. No, 4 packets. ID and 2 hiddens. So, I'm gonna put card up here. And a card. Hold on, you can't see this one. Secret card. With all my info on it. It closes. Of course it does. Okay, but if I might enter this in a contest, I'm not sure yet. But it's like a Mickey Mouse thing with eyes and a mouth cut out of it. So that's not white on top, that's cut out of it. Yeah. Okay. 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 Bye-bye.